Hi friends, welcome to the next session of polynomials. Exercise 2.5. We have completed up to sum number 9. Let's go for the sum number 10. Factorize each of the following. So first question, 27 y power 3 plus 125 z power 3. So here also we have y power 3, z power 3. Just check whether these numerals can be rewritten into the power of 3. Yes, 27 can be rewritten as 3 power 3 and 125 can be rewritten as 5 power 3. Now come for the sum. So which identity? So we know that x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. So here instead of this x, this can be rewritten as this 27, y can be rewritten as 3y the whole cube, and instead of y 125 z cube, this can be rewritten as 5z the whole power 3. So I am writing 27 in the form of 3 power 3 and 125 in the form of 5 power 3. So this is in the form of now x cube plus y cube. So x cube plus y cube is equals to what? X plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. So just substitute the identity 3y plus 5z into 3y the whole squared minus 3y into 5z plus 5z the whole squared. Now simplify this. That will be equal to 3y plus 5z into 3y the whole squared will give me 9y squared minus of 3 5s are 15 y into z yz, then plus 5 into 5, so 25 y squared. We have simplified, we have factorized. Same manner, second subdivision, 64 m power 3 minus 343 n power 3. Just check whether this 64 can be rewritten in the form of power 3 and 343 can be rewritten in the form of power 3. Yes, we have. So 64 4 cube, 343 7 cube, right? So now rewrite this. So x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. Now instead of this x, we have this 64 m cube. The 64 can be written as 4m the whole cube, and same way minus, instead of 343 we can just write it as 7 power 3. So this 343 n cube can be rewritten as 7n the whole power 3. So this is in the form of x cube minus y cube. Just substitute the identity x minus y, therefore 4m minus 7 1, then into x squared, so 4m the whole squared plus xy, so 4m into 7n plus y squared, so 7n the whole squared. Now simplify this. This can be rewritten as 4m minus 7n, so 4m the whole squared is 16m squared, so 4 into 7 28, m into n mn, then 7 7s are 49, so 49 n squared. So we have simplified. 11th one, factorize 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus x y z. So this is also, we can just see that this is in the form of the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, right? So 27 means 27 power 3, how can I write? It is 3 power 3. Here we have y cube, z cube, so no problems, we don't have numerals, so no issues. So now this can be rewritten in the form of an identity, that is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9yz. So instead of this 27, I can rewrite it as 3 power 3, that is 3x the whole cube. 27x cube can be rewritten as 3x the whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus of, so it is x y z. So how can 3 into xyz, how can I rewrite? So 3 into this, instead of this x I have 3x and 3x, and y we have same y, and z we have same z. So this 3xy we have split it in the form of 3 into 3x into y into z. So this is in the form of the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So what is the RHS? X plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. So just substitute the values. So this, so instead of x we have 3x, yz we have the same things. So 3x plus yz plus z into 3x the whole squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 3x into y minus y into z minus z into 3x. Now simplify this one. So 3x plus y plus z into 3x the whole squared, 9x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus of 3xy minus of yz minus of 3zx. So thus we have completed. Let's go for the next one. 12th one. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole squared plus y minus z the whole squared plus z minus x the whole squared. So here, so with this we know this value is equals to only x plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus y. So but right hand side I have lot of values. So for this sum, let's take the RHS and try to prove with the LHS, because see here, this is easier for me. So these things inside the bracket are in the form of a minus b the whole squared. I can just split up, and if I multiply the numerals inside, it is easier for me to simplify and find the answer. So take the RHS now. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole squared plus y minus z the whole squared plus z minus x the whole squared. Expand inside the brackets. So x minus y the whole squared is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared plus same way y minus z the whole squared is y squared minus 2yz plus z squared plus same way z minus x the whole squared is z squared minus 2zx plus x squared. So now just check for the like terms. So here also I have x squared, here also x squared, z squared, y squared, y squared. So just take all the like terms and try to simplify. So when we simplify, so we will be getting 2x squared, x squared, here also x squared, therefore 2x squared, y squared, we have 2y squared, z squared, we have 2z squared. So minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. So out of these things, can I take 2 as common? If I take 2 as common, the remaining will be x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this 2 and this 2 we have, these two can be cancelled. Since we have taken out and it is in multiplication, it can be cancelled. What is remaining? X plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. So now just whether it is in the form of the identity. Yes, it is in the form of the identity. So that is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So hence RHS is equals to LHS. Let's check for the 13th one. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So we know it is already given as x plus y plus z is equals to 0. Transpose this z to RHS. So x plus y is equals to minus z. Both the sides I'll just find the cubic value. So x plus y the whole cube is equals to minus z the whole cube. Expand this x plus y the whole cube. When we expand, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equals to minus z power 3. And now just we know that this x plus y is equals to minus z. Already we have assumed this value. So instead of this x plus y, can I rewrite as minus z? We are just rewriting that. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. Instead of this x plus y, I am rewriting as minus z equal to minus z power 3. Multiply this here. So x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz. So that will be equal to z cube. Now transpose this value to left hand side. Minus z cube, if I transpose, means what will happen? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equals to 0. So the whole thing becomes 0. Now this alone transpose to RHS. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3 into x, y, z. So from this I conclude that hence if x plus y plus z, this value is equals to 0 means then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3xyz. Is it clear? So first we have just find the value and we have proved this. Thank you.